present, stay relevant. Tommy Clark here. Hey, a lot of people have asked me about the shift move and what that is. I've been telling people here and there, but here's what it is. 5 deep breaths, you state what you're feeling to the world, and then 5 movements like burpees or push-ups, something like that. So what you do, 5 deep breaths, what that's going to do is bring oxygen to your brain and oxygen throughout your bloodstream and your vessels and all through your body. State what you're feeling to the world, let people know, and your brain know what you're doing. And then the movements gets blood flowing through your body. If you're having a bad day, shift move, change things around, and work it. So, we just got some news here that a good friend of my son's committed suicide today. I don't even know what to say about that. It's not the answer. It's not going to help anybody. So, I got to do a shift move. I just pulled over. I'm at a McDonald's, and here's what I'm going to do. 5 deep breaths. Sad! And burpees. Ooh. Now I'm ready. That is a shift move. If you're feeling the anxiety, the stress of life and every day, do a shift move. You feel so much better. Now. Annoyed!
Tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right.
Anxious!
If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. Thinking that we could be something for real.
I feel better.
Trying to reach the things that I can't see. But that's just how I feel.
Hot!
That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. So am I wrong?
Be present, stay relevant.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh.